Hello everyone, this is Gaurav Hada from Triple IT Kota, second year EC department, and here's my second Python assignment. So in this Python project, I have imported some modules. So one is CV2, it is used for image processing. Other one is math, it is used for mathematical operation, and other one is NumPy. It is most common module for Python numerical, and it consists of multi-dimensional array object and perform operation on array. And the other one is time module to display time. Here I have initialized some variable x1, x2, y1, y2 max distance, and then I have created a list of x coordinate, list of y coordinate, and list of distance between x and y coordinate, whatever it is. uh, Here is some function I have created. For left click of mouse, here is our event. I have used the CV2 module here. If event is equal to CV2 dot event underscore left down L button down, then this function is called. If we press left button, then this function is called. Here I have created some global variable. Then this is the code for right button press. Right button, when we press right button, we will get the maximum distance. A line will show you the maximum distance on our image. And the last one here is our main function, driver function. In this, firstly, we read the image. Second, we display the image, and then whatever command we give, like if we press left click, then it will show number in increasing order. We can create an image using these number, and when we press right button, then it will show the maximum distance between these points. And here is a cv2 dot wait key. This command will show the image for lifetime whatever, until we destroy the window, until we close the window, our program will run successfully. So here, for reference, I already drawn some roll number. Here, this is my roll number 2044, and when I press right click, it will show the maximum distance. Here it is. So thank you very much. This is all about this Python project.